Hi, my name is Olga, and today on Balanced and Tasty we will be cooking simple tomato soup. So all the ingredients are in front of you. We will be using 2 jars of this San Marzano peeled tomatoes. I really like this brand. It's Italian, and for tomato soup, you know, you need Italian tomatoes. We also will use 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. I would rather use 6 because I like garlic. Couple onions, some whipped cream. I also will be using 30 ounces of chicken broth. I made this broth earlier. I will show you the way I made it. You can choose a vegetarian option and use vegetable stock. Also some spices. I really like oregano and thyme. 2-3 spoons of plant butter and 1 spoon of regular butter. And of course spices are by taste: salt, pepper. And let's begin. First of all, I will cube my onions. We need to cube them finely. You can use less garlic if you don't like spicy, but I would like to use 6 cloves of garlic. Well, the tomato soup is not that time consuming, especially if you have your broth made in advance, like I made my chicken broth earlier today. Or if you're using vegetable stock. I just really wanted to make today chicken broth because it's really cold outside, so it's kind of calling for some warm soup, especially tomato soup. Mince it as fine as possible. Here we go. Now we have all our ingredients ready. Let's start with the soup. So I'm adding 1 spoon of butter and 3 spoons of vegetable butter. Let's melt it a little bit. So our butter is melted, and what's important, I'm adding garlic first, just so our tomato soup can absorb all the infused garlic. And you need to be very, very careful on very slow heat, literally several seconds. Just several seconds of garlic in the oil. You need for the oil to absorb all this garlicky taste. And this is very, very important for the great tomato soup. We don't want to burn garlic. We want for this oil to infuse all the garlicky taste. And now it's time to add our onions. And we will be simmering onions and garlic now until onions become kind of like see-through, soft, but not burned. We don't want them to burn. Just very gently, on medium heat. It smells so good. My whole kitchen smells wonderful already. It will take about 5-6 minutes to simmer garlic and onion to the desired look and taste. And all this amazing garlicky taste and smell is going to get absorbed into our tomato soup. Just a couple more minutes. You also could have added some celery to here, but I made my chicken broth with celery and carrots, so I don't need to add any celery into this soup anymore. Okay, our onions are soft and ready for the tomatoes to get added. Now we're adding this wonderful San Marzano tomatoes with all the juice that is in the can. And the second can. Mix it all really well, and the pan is still on a medium heat. And break these tomatoes in half a little bit. Okay, now it's time to add our spices. I'm using homemade chicken broth, so I don't have any salt added. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt here. I also will be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is how all the Italian people are making it. Show me please at least one Italian who doesn't like sugar. Some black pepper. I would say about half teaspoon. And now we're adding our chicken broth. This chicken broth alone smells amazing because I made it with celery and carrots. And let's mix it all really well. So our tomato soup is starting to boil. I'm gonna turn the heat down. And it's time to add some oregano and a little bit of thyme. Mixing it all really well. Oh, it smells so good. It smells already so good. I can't wait to taste that soup. So now we're going to leave this soup for 25-30 minutes. Just simmer under the lid. So our tomato soup was simmering for 30 minutes. And now the fun part. Now we're going to put this soup into the blender and blend it. I like using this Ninja. It blends everything super quick. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells absolutely delicious and it looks awesome. So here's the last step. We have our beautiful tomato soup, which smells absolutely amazing. I'm gonna fill the bowl with this tomato soup. Oh, this looks so good. And now we're going to add just a tiny bit of heavy cream. Just like this. And we also have some homemade croutons and a little bit of basil, because what kind of tomato soup without basil? And voila, our tomato soup is ready. Let's give it a try. This is absolutely delicious. This is so good. Oh, this is really good. Please try making this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. You make it once and you will be making it every single week, I promise you. Thank you for being with me today on my channel Balanced and Tasty, and I hope to see you next time.